How to download an Instagram photo. Instagram does not have a built-in option to download photos directly from posts, but there are a few ways to do it. I will show you the easiest methods to save Instagram photos to your device. The first method is by using an online Instagram photo downloader. Open the Instagram app and find the photo you want to download. Tap on the arrow. From the menu, select Copy Link. Now, open a web browser like Google Chrome or Safari and search for Instagram Photo Downloader. You will see several websites that allow you to download Instagram photos. Choose any trusted website, then paste the copied link into the provided box and tap on the download button. The image will be processed and you will see an option to save it to your device. The second method is by using a screenshot. If you just need the image without high resolution, you can take a screenshot. Open the Instagram photo, adjust the screen so that the image is fully visible, and take a screenshot. After that, you can use the crop tool in your phone's gallery to remove the extra parts. That's how to download an Instagram photo.